Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get valid public views. It's crucial to understand that platforms prioritize genuine engagement. We'll explore strategies to attract real viewers who are truly interested in your content. This approach ensures sustainable growth and builds a loyal audience. Let's dive into the best practices for achieving authentic visibility. To grow organically, focus on producing content that truly resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key. Regular uploads keep viewers coming back. Make sure your titles and descriptions are optimized with keywords, helping people discover your videos. Share your content across different social media channels to expand your reach naturally. Engaging with your audience is vital for increasing valid views. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a sense of community around your content. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe, as these actions significantly boost visibility. A strong call to action can guide your audience to further interact with your channel. It's important to avoid practices that generate invalid views, such as using third-party view buying services. These methods often involve bots and can negatively impact your channel's reputation and performance. Instead, prioritize long-term, sustainable growth by focusing on genuine audience connection. Authentic views are far more valuable than artificial numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.